DJM TV.
Sorry. No, security.
I need the record of proceeding. Who can help us get the record of proceeding? On Facebook.
With 25th, give his number. Yeah. Somebody will give me here. Give his number. Give his number.
Are you going back to the court?
No, just tell this house.
Okay.
You have it?
No, what? No.
Apostle.
Bro.
Okay, give me.
No, sorry.
No record.
I can't command it. This is my phone. That might be get my phone.
Like, what? What do you
Yeah, I'm having a Abby, just go back. People are not my legs, but this is my mom. Lawyer, you go to like power and who are confident. Yes, God is confident, there's no detail at all. Even with the vast credential, for sound. And Lilu, the judge is a coward. No doubt, the judge is a coward. The case has been adjourned till January 25th.
DJM TV.
4th and 5th for continuation of trial. Join us in court on January 25th, February 4th and 5th for continuation of trial. We knew. When did they misbehave for us in court? When the court don't delay us? When the court don't delay us since in court? The court too should behave well.
Okay. Thank you.
Some minutes, sir.
Thank you. Please, you listen to the court now.
They didn't come with their ears.
Masha.
Yes, man. How are you, man? Well done.
This is a revolutionary moment. That's what John said. By struggle, free. Freedom comes by struggle. Freedom comes by struggle. Freedom.
Freedom, my freedom.
Freedom comes by struggle.
Freedom comes by struggle.
Freedom comes by struggle.
Freedom comes by struggle.
Collect your own.
Yes, we should be in contact.
Greatest Nigerian people.
Let me give you
Greatest Nigerian youth. Greatest Nigerian. We want to thank you once again for your resilience. We have just come from what we have predicted from the beginning, that this will be a trial of Buhari in an open court. And the moment they saw that that trial was going in that direction, they started asking for witness protection again. What essentially happened in court was that we were able to prove to the judge that the first person to have overthrown a democratically elected government in Nigeria is Buhari.
Yes.
And they asked the witness they brought, were you aware that Buhari overthrew a government? He said he didn't know. This guy is 42 years old. Later, they were able to prove that he told them that he heard it when he was in secondary school.
historical revelation.
And Femi Falana, our very competent lawyer, always asked him,
Africa's best.
where you heard in secondary school, was the man tried for treason? He said no.
He was always having no idea.
And we were able to prove before the judge as well, in our cross-examination, that they have no case. They are there just moving, as what fella used to call perambulation. Moving left and right.
No
At the
direction.
point we started to pity even their witness. I'm serious. He was sweating profusely, even though the air conditioning was on.
Victory.
But this affirms our position from the beginning, that this is not our trial, but the trial of the dictators who are in civilian guard in this country, especially the expired man in Aso Rock, Muhammad Buhari. Yes, that he will be the one who will be totally exposed at this trial. But in the process, they are now saying that they want to shield their witnesses. The judge, of course, granted it tactically. He said, well, we will allow 20 people because of COVID-19 protocols. If there are no pressmen, we will allow people in the public to occupy the 20 seats. But we will accredit the pressmen. We are not worried about that at all. Even if they cover their witnesses, they will still lose in this case. We have no doubt about it. And I want to say, because this is Christmas period, a lot of us are going to be going back home, that starting from when we leave here today, let us end this distraction and move in the direction of how to liberate this country totally. Because it's going to be our job to liberate Nigeria. It's not going to be the job of any generation. This is the liberation generation. And this distraction, in my mind, should end from today. They were hoping that I will run away. They discovered that I can never run away from anyone. Greatest Nigerian people. Even though my family members have not seen me for more than a year and a half and they are suffering, they are watching me now. Please, let them just have patience with us.
Yes.
Yes. And one day they will be proud of our endeavor.
After the night, morning comes.
Because this is a historical duty and
We are carrying
carry to fruition. Greatest Nigerian people. Please, let's return back to our various base. And I think we have one more visit to make before we leave town, but that is for those who are coordinating this our affairs. I want to thank you once again for showing up. And like I said, go back and organize. Stop agonizing. The court case is not our problem. Our problem are these characters in Aso Rock, the various federal ministries, state ministries, departments and agencies of corruption that have finished this country. We must once again, by every means, confront them and liberate our country. Whether you call it end SARS, end bad governance, end SWAT, end Buhari, end everything. Revolution now.
No.
The focus is that it will be one book that has different covers from time to time, but plenty of chapters. Revolution now. Revolution now.
Thanks for the sacrifice. Thanks for the sacrifice.
Now you can speak with us.
Revolution, we want to do something before we go. Revolution, let them go and open border. Many people are hungry. Let them go open border. We are hungry.
Okay, get me organized for this placard. I will go collect this placard back.
We are going up to the court when we saw that the AI witness that their own concept was the DSS. He was shaking when he was asking several questions that we found out that this man is a complete liar, which he cannot defend what he said. And David Palana asked him that why he overturned the government, but he said that he's in primary school. So you find out that man is very much arrogant. Even in primary school, he didn't know what he was doing. So now we will continue to organize about this revolution now.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.